Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a Google Maps route shortcut to your home screen. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up the app and search in the destination you want to go to, then click on directions. You can obviously edit the location as well where you start from if you want to do that. Then once you're happy with this, just click on the three dots on the top right hand side. Then you should see add route to home screen. So you just want to tap on that. So all you need to do is select add at the bottom right. So once you come out of there, you should see this little car symbol with the Google Maps symbol on it. So you just want to click on that and that will bring up the route for you. Thanks for watching.